Looking for the perfect fishing rod to up your game? You're in the right place. We upload quality videos daily to help you discover the best gear for every adventure. Stick around, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more top product picks. Number 1. Placino Fishing Rod and Reel Combos. Are you a beginner in the fishing game, and you are wondering which would be the best fishing kit to introduce you to the game? The Telescopic Fishing Rod and Reel Combos by Placino would be a reasonable place to start. The fishing rod in this kit is collapsible to make it compact for easy storage and portability. It features aluminum oxide guide inserts, a graphite blank construction, stainless steel hooded reel seats, and EVA foregrip for comfort while fishing. The S-curve oscillation system will prevent line tangling, while the handle is interchangeable and allows for left or right-handed use. The Placino fishing rod is durable, and we can attribute this to the high density and elastic carbon fiber construction. The body is crafted from high tensile strength plastic, which gives it the power to handle the big fish without any difficulty. The stainless steel frame is corrosion resistant, and this means that you can use it in salt water for many years, and it will still serve you for a long time to come. Number 2. Ugly Stick 6 feet 6 inches GX2 Spinning Rod. If you have been fishing for several years, chances are you have used an ugly stick spinning rod at some point. However, they have always been labeled as beginner and transitional rods as well, and anglers would dump them for more advanced and flashier rods. The GX2 spinning rod has a graphite and fiberglass construction that makes it sturdy and lightweight at the same time, plus gives it more balance. It features the Ugly Tough one-piece stainless steel guides that are durable and has a clear tip design for added strength and sensitivity. The rod features EVA grips that are lightweight and durable and will keep your hands comfortable even when you hold it for long durations. This rod comes with a 7-year warranty. Although previous Ugly Stick models also used graphite and fiberglass in its construction, the GX2 uses more graphite for added durability and sensitivity for a more efficient fishing process. Number 3. Penn Spinfisher V6500 Fishing Rod. The Penn company has been around since the 1930s and has been producing the sturdiest fishing reels in the market. The Spinfisher models came about in the 60s and have over the years been built like a tank. The V and 6 series is different from the older models by being lighter but maintain the same level of toughness as before. This series of Penn Spinfishers weighs 790 g and utilizes the CNC gear technology with 6 sealed stainless steel ball bearings. It has a gear ratio of 4.7 to 1 and has a full metal body, which is IPX5 sealed. The combo also has HT 100 carbon fiber drag washers, Superline aluminum spool, and line capacity rings. The IPX5 sealing will help keep out salt water and other debris from the gears, which may result in the reel rusting and become less efficient. When it comes to the gears, it utilizes the CNC gear technology, which is better lubricated and is constructed from brass and aluminum materials that make the system smoother, stronger, and more durable. Number 4. Fiblink Surf Spinning Fishing Rod. If you are a beginner and you are looking for an affordable spinning rod that has fast action and can comfortably handle the hard fighting fish, this spinning rod by Fiblink should be on your list. The Fiblink Surf Spinning Fishing Rod has a carbon fiber construction for increased sensitivity, while the stainless steel guides are mixed with ceramic to prevent the line from sticking to the guides and lead to a smooth and longer casting. Both the 10-inch and the 12 rods have moderate fast action and come with a 1-year warranty. In terms of power, this is a medium-heavy rod, and it is well suited for tackling medium-sized as well as the large fish species. It is also a moderate fast action rod that has the first half of the blank bending, and this gives it more castability and hook setting power. Number 5. St. Croix Tournament Legend. When it comes to innovation and research on fishing rods, St. Croix leads the pack. Our review will focus on the Legend Tournament series, which utilizes the IPC and ART technology in their manufacturing, and as a result, you will end up with a sturdy rod that will give you reliable performance in bass fishing. This is a medium-fast rod, which weighs 4.03 ounces and can accommodate lines weighing 10 to 17 pounds and lure weight of 1/4 to 5/8 ounces. It is a one-piece rod crafted from graphite material and has a split grip cork handle for durability and comfort. It is cobalt blue and comes with a lifetime limited warranty. This rod is highly sensitive, and this will allow you to react faster whenever a fish comes close to your line. The Fuji guides will help in the line maintenance, plus will add to the stunning appearance of this rod. The art technology will help in strengthening the rod without making it bulky. It is also easy to cast, plus the casting distance will be much greater.